A very good morning, my dear student, and welcome to third standard class for academic year 2021 and 22. This year we started our online classes through Zoom. I hope you all are watched the videos and you also attend the Zoom classes. So children, in first Zoom class we discuss about the bridge course, video number 1. Now today I read some question answers which are depend on the bridge course video number 1. So today we read bridge course worksheet number 1. First question. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First one, our arms bent at the elbows and at the dash. Where our arms are bent at elbows and wrist. The fill in the blank is wrist. Second one, we feel with our dash. How can we feel? When you put your hand in a hot and cold water, how can you guess it is hot and cool? By using your skin. So the second fill in the blank, we feel with our skin. Third one, food gives us dash. When we eat something, at that time we can get energy. So food gives us energy. So the third fill in the blanks, food gives us energy. Now next part of this worksheet, that is the question number 2. Circle the odd one. You can see the pictures now. What is the first one? It is the eyes. Second one ear. Third one nose. And the fourth one is the hand. So circle the odd one. Which is the odd one? Eyes, ear and nose. These are the sense organ. And hand, it is a part of body. So hand is a different one or odd one. So you can circle the hand. So children, in your class or you don't draw the images. You can write the name of that thing. So eyes, ear, nose and hand. Which is the odd one? Hand. Second one, legs, foot, wrist, ankle. Now you can identify or guess which is the odd one. Legs, foot, wrist or ankle. First of all you tell legs, foot and ankle. These are the which body part? Legs. Legs, you know na, legs, foot and ankle. These are the parts of the leg. And wrist, it is a part of hand. So which is the odd one? Wrist. Third one, pizza, chapati, rice, dal. Now we can easily recognize chapati, rice and dal. These are the nutritious food. And pizza, it is a junk food. So which is the odd one? Pizza. Got na? Pizza, chapati, rice and dal. Which is the odd one or junk food? Pizza. So you can circle the pizza. Now the next question. Third one, tick the senses you use for activities shown below. Tick the sense organ. Okay. By mistake I will write here senses. Sense organ. For senses, first one, reading. For reading, what you use children? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears or skin. For reading, which organ you can use? Eyes. Without eyes you can read? No. So you can tick in the eyes column. Second one, bathing. When you take bath, what you use? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears or skin. Which one? Here, eyes. By using eyes, eyes is also important for bathing purpose. You can see. Then skin. How is skin? To recognize either the water is a hot one or cool one. So skin. Now the third one, eating. Which one you use? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears or skin? The most important is a tongue. By using your tongue, you can recognize either it is a sweet one, then bitter one. So you can tick in front of tongue. Now the next one. Next one, playing. For playing, which organ you can use, children? Eyes and ears. So by using your eyes and ears, you can play. So children, in the classwork, you don't draw the picture. You can write only instances: reading, bathing, eating and playing. Got now? You don't draw the pictures. Now the next question. Now let us start the next question. Question number 4. Answer the following. First question. How many sense organs in our body? You remember now how many sense organ in our body? So the answer is 5 sense organ. How many sense organs? 5 sense organs. Which are these sense organs? First one eyes, second ears, third one nose, fourth one tongue and fifth one is a skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Now which body parts of legs can we move while skipping? When you can skip at that time, which body parts you can move? Legs, which you can use the legs, but which body part can move? Answer, there is a movement of ankles and toes. When you skip at that time, there is a movement of ankle and toes. Got no answer? Third one, which fruits and vegetables are eaten good for good eyesight? Which fruits and vegetables are eaten for good eyesight? For good eyesight, which fruits and vegetables can be eaten? Almonds, carrot and lemon. Almond, carrot and lemon. These are the very good for our eyesight. Now got na? Now the next question. Question number 5. Identify the body parts and sense organs. So here I give some pictures of sense organ and also body parts. You can recognize and identify and write. So the first picture, it is a hand. The first picture is a hand. Second picture, what is, children? Second picture, how can you move your head? By using your neck. So second one is the neck. Third one, so the which sense organ you can use to see? Eyes. So it is a picture of eyes. Now by using which body sense organ you can hear? Which one? Ears. So got na, children? So here you can draw the simple diagram of hand, neck, eyes and ears. These are the easy one you can draw. So you draw these diagrams and label. So children, here we completed our worksheet number 1, which depend on our bridge course video number 1. So you write all these question answers of worksheet in your science classwork. So up to there, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.